Now come to another part of creation of logo design. Just change the size of this and make it as somewhat like, just I want to create another square here for the functions. Let's show you how it happens. Now just Ctrl F and paste it at the same place. Then select both the layers. Using shape builder tool, I want to make this as two shapes. This is one shape and this is one shape for the clarification how it was formed in the next lectures. And I want to make these colors. This delete it. One. Now just change it to 45 degrees angle. Now make this to center. Make all these to center. That's it. You got the logo. What you want expected from me. Like I want to create it in a different manner. I will show you this things what happened. And make some designs here just for clarify our professional look that will attract to others. Now delete the unwanted region. First of all, you should copy all and make it as another group, so that if anything happens in designing, don't worry, you have your backup. That's it. Now I want to make all these to black. And now I want to delete some unwanted materials here, so it will look. Or else let's do one thing. Just make some shape builder forms here. Then we can delete whatever we want. That's it. That's my plan.